We're pleased to introduce you to 150 Springstone Court, located in the gorgeous neighborhood of Springstone in beautiful Aiken, South Carolina. This home offers over 6,100 square feet of fun, 3 levels of entertainment, and we're just going to take you right away to the back where the party is.
Welcome to the party. Can you envision yourself hanging around the pool during the summer? I know I can. This home is situated on 1.3 acre lot that backs up to a stream and is in a cul-de-sac location.
This home is full of livability and flexibility. As I mentioned, there are 3 levels. The main level offers the primary suite in most of the living areas. Upstairs is either 4 or 5 bedrooms depending on how you want to use it. And the lower level offers a guest suite, so if you have family or multi-generational living, it is ideal for that, plus a theater room.
Isn't this kitchen lovely? It offers lots of custom cabinetry, countertops, has access to a beautiful breakfast area, and the formal dining room is right behind me. The chef will love it here. We're now entering the primary suite, which is located on the main level, as Vicki mentioned. The primary bedroom has access to the 3-season room. And now we're going to walk to the primary bathroom. You will not be disappointed. Welcome to the primary bathroom. It offers a double bowl vanity with beautiful granite countertops, a walk-in shower that has multi-water features, and then a separate garden tub, and my favorite, check out these closets.
The architectural features of this house are hard to find in any homes being built now. It has rounded corners, volume ceilings. The treatments of the ceilings are phenomenal. Just take a look, you'll enjoy this home. This is a rare opportunity. Welcome to the 3rd level. This is where there is 4 bedrooms, plus a huge bonus room that could even be a 7th bedroom. One of the things I wanted to note mostly is the closets all have custom features, and each bedroom has access to a lovely bathroom. This is a great space to call home. On the lower level, just off the pool, you have this recreational space that includes a theater room, the guest suite with kitchenette. Hey, and this pool table's even included. There is so much down here to enjoy. You're going to have a great time.
Shh, you gotta be quiet. I'm in the middle of watching the Star Wars marathon.
If you're considering moving to the South, Aiken, South Carolina, or even a local move, it's a big decision, we know.
We're here to help. To stay up to date with all of our current and future videos, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's your home, your lifestyle,
And we are your real estate team.